Chapel, and I am the host of Chapel's Corner. We have a background in development, currently working for the Alzheimer's Association, doing development in communications for all of Western Mass. Decided to join the channel. Well, frankly, Alfonso called me and said, hey, I have this idea, and would you do it? That was kind of after a friend of ours had thought I should do a show too. So we took my show and his show and made it into one big channel. It really is a show about everything going on in business and life, and it just what's the latest, what's going on. It's a mix of all of our shows, but also a little wild and crazy. So it's just going to be one of those fun, entertaining shows.